To process our camera registration graphic, I'm going to do a direct import on the Ultra 9 using a USB. You can direct import PDF and DXF files. To pull up your graphic, you will go to the menu on the upper left-hand corner, press Control Files. At the bottom right-hand corner, there will be a blue button with a plus sign. You open this to choose your file, select your USB drive, and I'm going to upload my camera registration graphic. In this specific instance, I am uploading a PDF file. To open this, your file should be uploaded into your menu. I'm going to place my graphic in the center of the table. And you will notice for camera registration, you will need 1/4 inch fiducial marks, crosshairs enclosed in a circle. Once you have your graphic file uploaded, you can now prepare the cutting table for processing. For this application, in order to keep my sheet completely flat, I used the mask that comes with the Ultra and cut out an 8.5 by 11 square. I turned our downdraft cutting table on to 100% vacuum hold, and I will place this flexible circuit graphic that we prepared at ULS on a 3M adhesive. You can place this down in the center of your table and you are ready for processing.